Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I will show you how Windows Fast Startup work and how to disable it. Windows Fast Startup is a feature that lets you boot your PC quicker than normal bootup introduced with Windows 8 in 2016. It now comes with all the succeeding Windows operating systems, including Windows 10 and 11. Nowadays, a fast startup comes pre-enabled from the manufacturers. Fast Startup or Fast Boot is a way to boot your PC faster. It will help you save your valuable time wasted in the slow booting up process. Note, you can use the Fast Startup only if you have hibernation enabled. In this way, you will be able to save yourself from a very long time of boot up. A fast startup like Windows Hibernation works by closing down all the apps. However, instead of shutting down the operating system, Fast Boot puts it in a hibernation state so that the various drivers, kernel, etc. do not stop working. The next time you boot Windows, it will resume working from hibernation instead of starting from scratch, drastically reducing boot up time. To disable or enable Fast Startup on Windows PC, follow the steps. Open your control panel. Click on Power Options. Select Choose what the power button does. Now, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable and uncheck the Turn on Fast Startup radio box to disable, or check to enable it. Click on Save Changes to save the setting. On this example, it will disable the Fast Startup feature for you. On the next startup, your PC will start up without the Fast Boot. This covers how Windows Fast Startup work. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.